You silly pup. Get him. Go get him. Where's that Pepper? Where is that Pepper? Where is Pepper? Cookie right in the path. Somebody's moving around. Daddy said, William Fargus. William's not going to church because the snow is over his head. Cookie. Cookie. Look at Pepper. Crazy dog. Cookie, get him. Go get him. Pepper! Yep. Now I've only cleaned off the road once today. You chicken. Pepper! Come here, Cookie. Come here, Cookie. Come here. Come here. Cookie. Poor baby. Where is she? Poor baby. Poor baby, where are you going? There's Pepper. Pepper! There she goes again. Poor baby, where are you going? Poor pups. Where are you going, baby? Come on. Here's our bathtub. Hey. Poor baby. What happened? There she goes. She's eating the snow. And it's still snowing. Very hard. You big booger. Guess I have to clean off these steps again. You silly dog. Baby, not in the path.